The second reading for this 21st Sunday in Ordinary Time comes from the letter of Paul to the Ephesians. In this letter, Paul speaks about the equality of husbands and wives, that husbands should love their wives and that wives should love their husbands. He's talking about the mutuality of love and the equality of partnership in marriage. Paul will say in other places that that equality extends beyond the relationship between husbands and wives, that it extends literally to everyone in the world. He will say elsewhere that in Christ there is neither Jew nor Greek, slave or free, man or woman. And he says this because of our baptism. In Christ, Paul says, every single person on this earth is truly a brother or a sister to me. And so this reading calls us to examine our attitudes towards others, whether they be family, parishioners, people of other countries, other religions, other races. Do we ever have that attitude that says, I'm smarter, I'm better educated, I'm more accomplished, I'm more sophisticated, I'm more successful than someone else? If we have that attitude, we're called upon to see those in our world on a much deeper level. We're called to look at every human being on this earth as a brother or a sister, because each and every person in this world is a son or daughter of God.